rated as IPX7 waterproof. So let's put that to the test. Of course, make sure this door is closed. Let's crank up the volume. It floats a little bit. Whoa. Play music under the water. Awesome. Very strong bass. Bass up. Look at that sound wave. Very powerful. After shower, let's do some real audio quality test. I'll have my iPad connected to these three speakers, Bose SoundLink Mini, Soundcore Flare 2, and the Soundcore Motion B, which I've been using for 1 or 2 years now. You can see a few dents on the Soundcore Motion B. I'm treating it very roughly and it still works. Amazing. Obviously, the sound plays through the speaker, recorded by the microphone, and then to your headphone or speaker isn't ideal, but let's just give this a quick test. Please like and subscribe to my channel. With your support, I will be able to invest more in the recording and video production gear in the future. Thank you. Here we go. Bass up. Bose Mini, Soundlink Mini. The bass boost enabled, the Soundcore Flare 2 can deliver a massive amount of bass. For regular daily use, I actually don't feel it's necessary to have it enabled. But when it does, it sounds very similar to the Bose Soundlink Mini 2, which is twice as expensive. Let's do some charging test. The USB Type-C to USB-A cable is included. The cable plugged in very firmly, super secure. Is taking 10 watts of power. That's 5.1 volts times 2 amps. It's comparable to my iPad charging capability. So if I round it down to 0%, it should take maybe 2-3 hours to fully recharge. Lastly, I want to demo the Soundcore app on my iPhone. It gives me full range of controls over the device. It maps to all the physical buttons, including volume down up, power on off, and all the fancy lights and auto power off timer. It's pretty cool, and we can pair with multiple speakers. If you find this review helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. I will send this speaker to you as a gift when I have 1,000 subscribers. Also, please feel free to share this video on your social networks like Twitter and Facebook. Thank you very much for your support.